Okay, this is the meter to the house, to the structure, and I would like to do a meter check on this and see if I could see any signs of leakage. There probably isn't, but I'd like to see it. But I can. I have 3 meter keys, 3 universal meter keys, and it's not often that I can't open one of these meter caps, but I admit defeat. So now, this meter is located in the parkway between the sidewalk and the street, as it should be. This is the lawn sprinkler check valve, and it should be located in your yard. You can get a fine for not taking care of this, but this really isn't yours. I mean, in most places, this is municipal. In case they want to widen the street, I got that. But anyway, the lawn sprinkler check valve should be on the other side of the sidewalk. Now this hole right here is for the main shutoff valve to the lawn sprinkler system, but you do have a main shutoff valve. This is just ornamentation. And really and of course this is what an irrigation valve looks like. And really there's not anything going on here. It's brand new. It's all excavated. It's lined with gravel. All the good stuff. These bleeder holes, these bleeder valves should have rubber boots on them. They should have rubber boots. And this goes with everything. This handle, when it's parallel, water's on. When it's perpendicular, the water's off. That's the main shutoff to the lawn sprinkler system. These are the isolation valves for the check valve. And again, they're parallel, they're on. If they were perpendicular, they would be off. Yay! Teach us more, Uncle Bud. Okay. Coming along. The gas enters the west side, and it's bonded. And it looks good in the attic too. I was bragging about that earlier. Oh, keep going. You losing your mind? Yeah. Grampy's losing his mind. There it is. This is the weather sensor for the lawn sprinkler system. Okay, and it's supposed to be sitting up straight, 90 degrees, like a good soldier. It's supposed to be doing that. That's the way it's supposed to look. Inside the garage west wall, this is the lawn sprinkler control, and it is labeled. The zones are labeled. It does have instructions. It does have a care and use manual and a permit. That's part of the rain sensor system. We're still inside the garage. Home faces south. Garage north wall. This is the main water shutoff valve to the house. Parallel is on. You have a problem, perpendicular's off. Door won't close. Rusty installed this. But checked it out. Thanks, Rust. Alright, that's on. This is your backflow prevention device. It's also your pressure regulator. So if the pressure's a little too high, you can reduce that. If it's a little too low, you can open it up. That's how you do it. You got an emergency, you come through that door, you follow this wall, you open this door, you pull that handle. Easy as pie. Since we have a pressure regulator valve and a backflow prevention device, we need an expansion tank, and that's what that is. That's an expansion tank. And you'll see a lot of them that are positioned differently. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. Now, it would be nicer, but the insulation for these water valves should come closer. They should come closer to the tank. They should. And then, that same insulation should be on this valve. And then, this drain line is not supposed to have more than 5 90-degree bends. Let's count them here. We got 1, 2, 3. Goes into the wall. Okay, so it goes down. Okay, 4. Then it goes out of the wall, 5. And then it points down towards the ground, that's 6. You have too many 90-degree angles. Should have put a 45, a couple 45s in there. Just saying. Hey, I didn't make the rules up. I'm not a rule maker. Okay. Gas line has a sediment trap. That's good. Electronic ignition. That's good. This is the data plate. Tells us that we got a 50-gallon water heater. Also tells us this water heater, the build date was in 2020. All right. Okay. Kind of figured that. New construction. Safety pan like we're supposed to have. Care and use manual like we're supposed to have. So what's our takeaway on the water heater? We're missing a little bit of insulation up here and here. We've got too many 90-degree bends. Is that it? Okay. I'll take that. I'll take that. I know I'm picky. I get that way. We're coming around. This is the front faucet for the east side of the house. We're looking for between 40 and 80 psi. Wee-ha! We got 90 psi. Way too much. Way too much. Alright. Have no fear. Bear with me. I'm not going to edit this out either. This is all gonzo. I don't have those kind of technical skills. You adjust it here. Have no fear, you adjust it here. You can take it down from 90 psi to 75. Easy as pie.